Hello gorgeous people of the interwebs, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a look at my 2019 birthday shopping haul. First off, I'd like to say I have never had a shopping experience like it. This is by far the biggest splurge, single splurge I've ever done. And it's all thanks to my wonderful husband. He knows that I've had a pretty tough year this year, and he wanted to go mega out of his way to make sure this birthday was really, really special. It also kind of sucks having your birthday 2 weeks before Christmas. You can see the Christmas tree is up. So he likes to make a real big effort to differentiate between birthday and Christmas. So we're going to go in chronological order. And the first place we went to was Gucci, the Gucci concession in Selfridges. Now I have a usual client advisor there. He was actually off sick on that day, but we've been in contact over WhatsApp, and he made sure I was still looked after. So this is my first purchase of the day. And can I just say, I hope you can see just how amazing this holiday gift bag is. Absolutely fantastic. Makes me think of Miami. Miami. Okay, so here we go. Beautiful upside down gift wrap box. This is an item I've been looking at for months. Showed hubby loads of photos of it, and he's always said, it looks like an old lady bag, and I've disagreed with him. Showed it to him yesterday in person, and he was like, oh yeah, actually, I really like that, yeah, it's nice. Yay. Oh, we got some nice tissue paper. That's just sitting on top. And gorgeous dust bag. There. Sorry, this is taking so long. Oh wow, they properly packaged it, kept it packaged up nice for me. Here we go. Right, it is the GG Marmont small shoulder bag. Some people are calling it a camera bag. It's not what it's called online. It's the Marmont Matelassé leather, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah. So I've been looking at this for a long time. I'm just going to get rid of some of this. So here it is. Isn't she beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. I love the GG, obviously Gwen, GG for Gwen. The leather is so soft, it's so supple. I know these have been around for a while, so there are hundreds and hundreds of videos on them out there, so I'm not really going to bother doing any kind of what fits in my bag, all of that kind of stuff. I'm just going to say that I've been after this for a long time. If you saw my card holder unboxing, I have the card holder that matches, and I absolutely adore it. I love it, and I just think it's the great size for me. It can carry... It's got enough room to carry everything: card holder, round coin purse, mini pochette accessoire, phone, keys. I've also got another thing that I keep loose receipts in. That's not designer. I've got that at Paper Chase, but it's very cool. It's got a little tiger face on it. And because this is nice and wide, that'll slot in really, really nicely as well. So I've been after this for ages. I'm delighted I finally got my hands on it, and I am going to use her later today. Now, as I said, my Gucci concession in Selfridges client advisor was off sick, but he arranged a surprise for me, which was absolutely wonderful. This gorgeous bag of goodies. I must admit, I never expected to get it. He knew it was my birthday. But we just made the appointment to see him. I didn't expect him to arrange for any gifts, and I wouldn't have thought that the concessions could do gifts. I thought that would be something that was the reserve of the boutique. So I've got a card, lovely card with Gucci. Let's open that. It's a postcard matching the gorgeous holiday packaging. And it says, "Dear Gwen, wishing you a wonderful birthday from client advisor's name." Lovely. How wonderful is that? Okay, let's see what we have in here. Look at that packaging. Right, we'll look at that in a second. And I've also got, oh, this is heavy. It's very heavy, yes, sure. Wow. Birthday gifts. I'm shocked. I'm absolutely shocked, stunned. I feel overwhelmed. From this particular concession, I bought a belt, the Gigi Marmont belt. It had some issues, so I returned it. They gave me a replacement, and I was too scared to wear it in case the same issues came up. So I returned it for a full refund. I bought a card holder, and I'd taken an item in for repair. So really, I'm not a big spender. I bought a card holder from them. And they gave me these for my birthday. How amazing is that? Right, I'm going to open this big one here. Oh, it says Maison de l'Amour. Open that. Oh, it's like a book thing. Ooh, let's put that down. Gucci decor. Wonderful. Ah, so this is like a coffee table book. I shall enjoy. So these are the things that came out, one of which is a price list. And this is just a little bit more information on the items showcased in this gorgeous book. Look at that. Oh, look at the edging is in red. How beautiful is that? Right, well, I shall enjoy looking through that. Now, let's see what's in here. I've just seen what's in here because there's a label on the back and I just read it by accident. It is a gorgeous... can't get in. I'm in. It's a gorgeous... Oh. Some of them have taken a tumble in transit, but it's a gorgeous little box of beautifully wrapped little chocolates. Absolutely amazing. What a gorgeous, wonderful surprise. And after we bought my bag, the manager took us over to the fountain bar and bought a round of champagne for us on the house to celebrate my birthday as well. What excellent, wonderful, amazing customer service. Thank you so much, Gucci at Selfridges. Also, when we were in Selfridges, we went to the Saint Laurent concession because I really wanted to have a look at a particular bag. Again, it was one that I thought my husband would take one look at and go, "Oh my God, what are you thinking?" But he loved it. So we said, oh, dare we? Can we? Should we? Okay, let's buy it. And they didn't have any in stock. So we took a trundle down to New Bond Street to the store there. Look at this. Beautiful, classic, classy packaging. Exquisite. Exquisitely boxed. I've got a bow on the back, which is an interesting one for me. Normally I see the bow on the front, but it is absolutely beautiful. So let's not waste any time, shall we? Oh, it's upside down. Beautiful dust bag. Double lined as well. This is the first Saint Laurent bag I have ever purchased. And it's the Small Lulu Puffer in lambskin, black lambskin with the silver hardware. I'm just going to get rid of some of this. Wow, the handles were very well packaged and it took a while to get them off. But here she is. Isn't she beautiful? I originally looked at the black on black, but we decided between me and the husband that black on black hardware would suit a more elegant style, and this is very rock and roll. So we decided silver hardware, very rock and roll. Absolutely love it. Look at this. Look at how smooth that action is. It is a flat bag. It's got a really strong magnet. You may or may not be aware that I'm not a fan of flat bags, but normally because they've got really fussy clasp. This is super simple. It's a very strong magnet. Super simple. In you go. Close it up. Off. Couldn't be easier. I'm a lot in love. The experience we had at the Bond Street store was phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. It was raining, so we were hot-footing it straight from Selfridges down to the Bond Street store. We were kind of hot, flustered, cold, wet, out of breath, all of the above. We went bursting in there and we were approached by a client advisor who was like, "Wow, are you guys okay?" And we're like, she said, "Let me get you some water." So she went and she got us a couple of bottles of water and she said, "Take your time. There's no hurry, collect yourself, relax. If you want to sit down, we've got some seats over there. And then come and find us when you're ready." Wonderful. Mentioned it was my birthday, we were doing a bit of shopping and a glass of champagne magically appeared. Husband declined. I get a bit giddy on champagne, but he gets really tired and giddy on champagne. So he declined. I slept it up like the birthday diva I was, and just on the whole, the service was fantastic. They took care of our shopping and our coats while we took a walk around the store. It was the first time we'd been in there, hadn't bought anything from them before, and we were treated really like wonderfully valued, loyal customers. It was absolutely fantastic. Next up was Louis Vuitton. It wouldn't have been a birthday treat if Louis Vuitton hadn't been involved. This particular piece is my Christmas present from the husband. I'll show you the box just before I pop it under the tree. So I've got the lovely Christmas ribbon. I didn't get the Christmas bag on that one, but I did on my birthday piece. So it's this gorgeous flat top box, and I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you what it is later. So this is the piece for my actual birthday, and it is, whoops, also has the Christmas wrapping, and I always feel a bit wrong taking the ribbon off. I like the drawers, and you don't have to take the ribbon off. It is, so this is a piece that I had previously looked for with the pink lining, because I do like a pink lining, but I missed that boat. My client advisor did manage to get me the last one in the country, and I think it was the last one in the country for a reason, because there was a little bobbly bit. The repair lady said it wasn't a defect and therefore it wouldn't be sent away to be fixed, and I knew that I would focus on it, it would annoy me, and it would make me not want to use it at all. So I got a replacement yesterday, and it is the Etui Voyage in PM. Now I love these. I was looking at these just before the Kirigami was released, and I should have gone with this. I bought the kirigami. I've since sold the large piece of my kirigami set because I never used it. To be honest, I have only really used the small kirigami so far for cards. This, I think I'm going to use this a lot. Even my husband said, yeah, absolutely, I see a need for this. It's got a wonderful zip. So it opens up really, really nicely. Card in there. So this is the classic cognac lining. And I just see this, I will use this probably as a clutch, just chuck a couple of things in there, off I go. I will use it for paperwork and passports and stuff like that when we're on holiday. I'm just going to get so much use out of this. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful piece. I saw my usual client advisor at Louis Vuitton, which was really, really nice. He gave us some champagne, he gave us quite a lot of champagne actually. But this is a lovely, lovely item, a lovely addition to my collection. My husband has now started calling it a collection. Have I got a collection? So, Saint Laurent, customer service, absolutely fantastic. Gucci, what a surprise. Made me feel completely special, absolutely wonderful. Louis Vuitton, my client advisor is brilliant, he always looks after me. My advice is always, if you can connect with a client advisor and see them, speak to them, get their phone number, get them on WhatsApp, get them on instant message, whatever you crazy kids use these days, then do it. It's absolutely, absolutely worth it. So that's the end of my birthday shopping haul. Again, I've never had a shopping experience like it. It was by far the most extravagant thing I've ever done, and I loved every second of it. Absolutely loved every second of it. If you loved every second of this video, or even just a teeny part of it, then give it a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button so you can see when I've been up to other shenanigans. Bye bye!